Hi, we're doing the restoring of the statues, 4 feet statues. All these statues are being restored and will be painted, repaired and painted. All of these statues. First we are doing the sanding. After sanding, wherever the cracks are there, we are going to repair the cracks with the putty. And then we'll be putting the PU fiber. We'll be putting the PU primer. After the PU primer, we will do the primer, white primer, and then start painting. As I do this work, I will show you the progress of the work, how it is going.